Ako, di ako order po. This is yours. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Hi.
What's up, Kuya Jim?
Hi, JM. Thank you.
Hello, Kuya JM.
Hi, bro. Hi, all the people. Hello po.
Hello, all the people.
Sayuan ako, oy. Yes.
Hi, Mara. Sayun SM.
How was our performance po? Thank you so heart me, all the people. Hi, can you guys hear us properly?
No, can you hear us?
Guys, what do you think won sa fandom voting, fandom name?
Excited na ba kayo?
We're gonna reveal in a few minutes. Yes, rinig naman. Yay! Hi Hara, my fandom name na po kayo. Tonight, we will reveal who... Yes, my background noise. My renters po kasi we're at the studio right now. Feel ako Haraya. Let's see. We're gonna post the reveal on IG, so go check out our IG account.
Yes, go check out.
Okay, look, you having yung mata.
Guys, I get that a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah, probably sa brows. Sa brows lang talaga yun lang. Hello po, Julia. Hi, Julia.
Everyone share the live so marami tayo.
Hi, Julia. Hi, Julia. Hi again, Julia. Hi ulit, Julia. Hi sa'yo ulit, Julia. Pero napuno talaga kay Julia.
You guys, if you have mga TikTok trends you want us to do, go tag us para alam namin what you want makita. Hi, Safira. Shout out. Hello po.
Hi, Safira.
Bayani Asiati.
Wait lang. Hi, Vince. Did you what? No, dalawang JM.
Hi, Jen. Hi, Trisha.
Hi, guys. Hi, 48 viewers. Kaka-start lang po. Yes, kaka-start lang namin 5 minutes ago.
Hi, Matchash. Matchash. Hi, Matchash.
Wala kayo content kahit isa lang ngayon.
Ito.
Yes.
Ito po. Ito na po.
We're gonna post later, so abangan na lang sa aming account. Go check it out na. Pipa po ito. Yes!
Oh, we're Hara.
What's Hara po?
Girl group anak. Yes, sabi na aura for
Fandom name,
please. Comment lang kayo ano sa tingin nyo ang nanalo sa fandom name. Ano bang bet nyo, girls? Sana. Blind.
Actually, gusto ko
Iba.
lang lahat. Gusto ko lang lahat. Okay.
Ikaw.
Aura.
Aura din sa akin. Aura talaga.
Ikaw yan.
Aura.
Anything. Anything.
I do like, kisses. Kasi parang ang cute. Like, hi, kisses.
Okay lang.
Yeah. Pero, hi, auras.
Like, ang cute ng aura.
Visual intro daw. for new fans and viewers.
Hi everyone, I'm I.
Hello, I'm Kay. Hello everyone, this is Lars. Hi, I'm Lori.
Hi, I'm Dashi.
I'm Yaki. Kami di ay ang
Hara! Hi guys.
Hello everyone.
Pag next song na is when release. Abangan nyo, makastart pa lang namin. So we're...
Why Hara name nyo? Explain naman po. Tashi, pasok.
Pasok be!
Okay, so yung Hara po, galing pa siya sa word na Raha. Raha or Raja, which was used here in the Philippines noong pre-colonial period. And it means royalty and regal. And then it suits our branding.
Yes! Yes! In 4 minutes po, we're gonna reveal the fandom name!
May pangalan na sila!
Congratulations!
Guys, may pangalan na kayo!
Sino ang excited dyan? Comment down below. What do you think? What do you think won? Ano sa tingin niya?
Comment lang mag-comment ka ng emoji ang reaction niyo.
In 3 minutes, 9:05, po-post na po namin. So, check out sa Instagram rin. Pero huwag kayong umalis sa live eh.
Yeah!
We're also gonna reveal it here.
Share the live, guys.
I'm from Central Mindanao University, hoping for you to perform inside our campus po.
Wow, excited!
Sana po, like, maybe pwede po kami i-contact para mapag-usapan po. And please invite us to your event.
Yes, guys!
Yes, we want to visit everywhere po and perform, show you our music. Yes.
Wow, excited na daw si Walang Di.
Always obey. Sino bang nakawatch sa UP, sa UM, sa SM, puro sa lahat, sa LM? Gems.
Sa QC.
Sayang yung event niyo sa SM Anet. It's okay, marami pa naman kaming upcoming events.
Soon.
So, follow our social media guys so that updated.
Baka bigla lang kami mag-drop na
Manila ganap when? Hindi pa namin alam. Pero hopefully
not sure
soon.
yet. Hopefully soon. Soon, guys! So, kung may mga events kayo na alam there, sana naman ma-invite kami. Cebu soon? Yeah, soon. Invite nyo kami para makapunta kami dyan, right? Yes! Para ma-meet namin kayo. In 1 minute, ma-meet namin kayo.
You need to charge me.
Oh.
You need to charge your phone. You need to charge me, bro. Yes! Walang siga kayo si Yanni. may sarili siyang ring light, guys. Literal na may sarili siyang ring light. Yeah, literal.
Yes, we're from Davao.
Agusan soon! Please.
Please. Soon. Di ba may mga festivals dyan soon?
Yeah.
So, sana ma-invite po kami. With love. Sana ma-peak. Ay. Wala ka.
Wala pa po kaming budget.
Ano daw? Good evening, Reto Caldas. Ay. Hi. Hi, Hara Fans Official!
Hello po.
To-change it up sa name nila.
What about Manila, guys? Hi, Manila.
Hi,
Hi, Manila.
3, 2, 1. Guys, go check out our Instagram stories.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kung sinong makaka-first comment ng na-reveal.
Yes, go check out our Instagram.
First na makakomment, my
Hello!
hi.
I don't know what's your name. Hi, Kislap.
Haraya. Okay, so Ubi Haraya.
Hi, Kislap!
Hi guys, did you see? Nabigyan na namin.
Narinig nyo, guys.
We're gonna be royals! Hi! In 1, 2, 3. Hi, royals!
We're gonna be
Hello, everyone.
royals.
Kapag guys, nickname yun namin sa kanya.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Kinikilig ako.
Actually, royal suits are
Yeah.
a hara naman kasi nga, yung hara meaning that is royalty and regal.
Yes. So, kayo din guys, not just us. You guys are also royals. Hi, royals! You're our royals. Also guys, tama pala, happy 10k YouTube subscribers! Yay!
Akala namin na balik mata lang kami
Yeah.
na 10k na. Akala namin nasa
1k.
1K.
Last check namin mga 1k pa, tapos pagtingin namin biglang
Yeah.
10k. So, watch out for our vlog. We're gonna post it soon.
Yeah, follow us on all of our social media platforms din. It's at hara.officialth. Pati din sa Spotify, diba?
Yes, also sa Spotify. We have this month, we have 10k monthly listeners. Yay!
Go check out our song, guys, sa Spotify and Apple Music.
Keep streaming my love.
It's Hara My Love.
Yung red yung background. Fave yung royal. 10k monthly listeners. Yes! Multi-spell
royal without Lord.
Ah! Nag-debut na po kayo. Pre-debut pa lang po.
Soon.
Soon.
Bye mga Hara natin.
Wala na. May proper, may ano na.
Yeah.
Real name na kayo.
Japanese pa daw si Tashi. Hindi po.
May splash.
May splash lang siya ng Korean. Ay, Chinese pala.
Yes, nagatingog po kayo.
Harabis.
Harabis.
Why po nagpa-explain ng hair si Ay? Mainit. Yun lang po.
Yun lang yung reason niya.
Mag-perform ka rin po ako.
Not yet confirmed, but hopefully.
Yeah.
Mention nyo kami sa Dual Davao post, guys.
Follow us,
Para
guys.
invite na lang.
Yes. Para
Follow nyo
na
kami, guys, para sa mga updates sa events and ganaps.
Yes, that's it.
Ganda yung men. Super.
Ano bang-
Diba ang layo, be? Sabi ka, buyantas ka dyan.
Ano ba mga events na gusto nyo kami mag-perform, guys? Like here in Davao po na. Kadayawan. Big goal namin. Sana sa Kadayawan makaperform ka.
Yeah, ako na yun.
Dual Davao.
At? Ano names niyo? Goal ko is-support ng
Lahat ng people. Oh, go, names, guys.
Sige, ito naman, since nasabi na natin names, sabi ka na names with position.
Sige.
Okay. Names with position.
Hi everyone, I'm I. I'm the leader, visual, and dancer.
Hello, I'm Kay, and I'm the main vocal and rapper. Hello everyone, this is Blythe. I'm the main dancer and vocalist.
Hi, I'm Lori, and I'm the vocalist. Hi, I'm Tashi. I'm the main rapper, youngest, and dancer.
Hi, I'm Yani, and I am one of the dancers and vocalists. Kami di ay ang Hara! Hi,
And
Royal!
kayo, Dayang?
Royals!
Actually, my position is middle blocker.
Middle block. The main. Ako yung spiker. Charis. Wala pa akong sports. Treasurer po. Treasurer. Muse.
So Sana go intramurals and acquaintance party.
Yeah, go
Yes,
invite
yes.
us, guys.
Baka at UM?
Mag-concert din naman sa SM at kailangan. Pupun! Do you guys know what pupun?
Okay, paki-block sa nagtanong ng who's the tallest.
Si Blind po yung tallest.
Si Blights po, si Blights. Me, I'm the tallest.
Tallest.
Royal meaning daw.
Okay, go Tashi. Tashi pasok.
So, meaning po ng royal is, naka-align po siya sa name namin, which is Hara. Hara means regal and royalty. So, royal.
So of course, dapat kayo eh. They are royals. But of course, nanalo yung royals sa voting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everyone na nag-vote sa royals, congrats!
Congrats! Ako na nag-vote sa random account. Actually, we have na yung Hara Fans official.
Yeah, since we released, they already made Bob and Hara Fans official. So maybe you guys can collaborate or you can make your own naman because the more people, the better.
Like, nag-intro po sa kanila.
Hoy! Uy, grabe kayo sa akin, guys. I'm the tallest nga, di ba?
Ba't po ba si Yani at Lori? From another
Yes,
mother.
sure.
Yes po. Kimi! Nakasunod. Kaya ano ba talaga kami siya ni Yani sa volleyball?
Vocalist.
Open spiker. If may narinig kayo music guys, it's because we're at the studio and may nag-run. We just actually finished training, so medyo low energy kami kasi.
Grabe yung ano namin, guys. Valo daw. Sa susunod, may kita kami sa mga Valo tournament.
Yes!
Yes. Tapos ako yung
Hindi na ako.
Later, nasa tato yung battle race.
Age reveal! Ay, age vlog. Sige, starting with our oldest.
Yes.
Yo!
Hi, I'm 25. Hello, guys. Ako yung second oldest. I'm 23.
I'm the middle child. I'm 22. I'm the second middle child. I'm 21.
Hi, I'm second to the last. I'm 20.
Yes.
Hi, I'm the bunso. I'm 19.
Yes! Nandito ka na.
Yeah, I'm 23.
Kasi sobrang na po kami. 22 kami.
Yeah, we're both 22.
But now she said she's 23.
It's actually 19.
Baby na kayo, hindi pa po.
Ba't kagalit ba yan? Di pa po. Di pa po.
Main dancer. Who? Our
To
plan.
pronounce your name, C-K-H-Y. It's K lang po. K or... Basta, very complicated lang po talaga yung spelling, but it's just K.
Tanggalin niya lang yung CH. Teka, kambal
Yeah.
ba o hindi? Hindi po kami kambal, guys. Joke lang. Pero magkamukha kami. Yes. Sinasabi na lang namin na kambal sila kasi a lot of people mention it talaga.
Tashi, nag-share ba daw ako ng donuts?
Wala.
Wala!
Inuwi niya.
Hindi siya nag-share ng donuts.
Pero na-share namin yung cake.
Akala ko po, chiki, like Chucky.
Chucky. Yan yung tawag namin sa kanya at first. Chiki.
Chiki!
Main yapper. Main dasher.
No.
Sana all 9 pa daw sila.
I'm very introvert here.
Sino pong main vocal? Or
Ako. Si Bly, wala sa nag-share sa ice cream. Ha? May ice cream pala.
Hi, Arms. Bias name.
Sino main yapper niyo?
Si Ate Yan.
Si Yani.
Si Yani. Hindi, naisip ko. Wait lang.
Si Yani. Si Yani na ngayon. Hello, Hara. LPP na ako.
Congrats!
Congrats po!
Galing naman mga royals natin, guys.
Yes.
Hi, Angela. Cute, good
ang Chiki. That's my nickname na guys, actually.
Actually, nung first time, nung first pumasok si Ate Kay dito sa life in-scout, di ba siya? Ang tawag ko sa kanya is Chiki.
Ako rin na, pupasok ko, Chiki. Sabi niya, kailan? Sabi ko, okay. Hindi, Chiki. Chiki ka ngayon. Na-meet niyo na po ba, Bini? Not yet po.
Yes.
Can I get a high Farah from Hara? 1, 2, 3. Hi, Farah!
From Hara. May lag ba? Naglalag ba kami guys?
Ang talas namin sa Ate Lori.
Amigan. CK. CKHY. Feel ko si Hara K ang tallest dyan.
No.
Si Ate Lori po.
Our model.
Sige.
Tapos,
Sige. Tapos, next topic ay let's talk about royals. Will ever be.
nakakadalawang song cover na ako ng My Love. Malapit na madedok sa part ni Talari.
Kaya mo yan.
Sino pinakamaliit? Guys,
Ate
baka magalit.
Lori.
Baka
Ate
magalit
Lori.
sa inyo si ano.
Looking to the right. Tama na guys. Tama na. Huwag na kayo mag-ask.
Height review.
Ano bang magagawa ng height namin? Huwag na kayo mag-ask.
Kendra, you're safe kasi hindi moderator si Blay. Baka
Guys, sino daw matanda sa atin?
Matanda.
Na-offend sa maliit, na-offend sa matanda.
Pwede po ba pagbati ng birthday ko malapit na sa yung birthday ko? 1, 2, 3, Happy birthday, Sal!
Kanta or green? Ano ba?
Kumanta siya. Ay, sorry. Kumanta siya. Napasabay din ako. My love a cappella po.
Okay,
Ano?
sige.
Go, sige. 5, 6, 7. You don't deserve my love. My love. Huwag mo nang sisihin ang aking damdamin. You don't deserve my love. Oh, my love. You don't even have to try. Cause baby, you just don't deserve my love.
Go check out our pre-debut single.
Ano bias? Sorry. Okay, go.
My Love. It's out on
Yes.
Ano bias niyo sana sa fandom din? Mine is Aura.
Aura Kisses. And Royals.
Aura na. Aura na. Pero siguro malalove ko din.
Kisses.
Collab kayo. Wink, please. My two favorites.
Yes.
Bias on Cat's Eye. My Love is a pre-debut song is so good. Right? So go check it out.
Go check it out. It's out on
YouTube. All platforms.
Bias in Cat's Eye. Yun, check.
Megan.
Yung check. Ako si Mano at saka Lara. Sophia and Daniela.
Try for me, Sophia, and you.
Uy,
Alex, Sophia. Tutorial naman po ng My Love. The dance. Sige. Assignment yan ni Blay.
Guys, pass.
Arlene dance.
So, okay, 5, 6. You don't deserve my time. Take it like time and down. Wag mo lang sisihin. Bukas pa yan.
Guys, may easy version din kami. 5, 6, 7.
Sila.
Don't deserve my love. My love.
Oo.
Huwag mo nang sisihin ang aking damdamin. Don't deserve my love.
Nakita ko kayo sa campus tour ng UM. Super galing. Thank you!
Thank you, Ellie.
Thank you, Ali.
may bias na agad ako.
Sino bias mo?
Who's your fab duos in Cat's Eye?
Okay.
Hi, guys!
Danny and Sophia.
Yun siya yan, Sophie.
I miss...
Hi, Marga!
I miss Sophie na para bang Mano, talaga. Lorelai.
Sophie.
Tsaka si Danny. Mano, Danny.
Sophie.
Wow, thank you.
Uy, Philippines. Bias in wing, Maye. Discovered you because of Kaya. Thank you po. Sana po nagustuhan niyo
We love
video
Kaya
namin.
so much.
Yes. Our ates. Oh my gosh. And hopefully sana complete na kami soon. Kasi tatlo lang kami ng ate.
Kasi nung time po na nagpunta dito yung Kaya, birthday namin ni Tashi, and then few days na birthday naman ni Ate Kim.
Yes. So may mga own ganap sila guys. So kami parang, sige, tayo kami na. Bias in ni Aya. Mika. Mika.
Ako? Si
Mika.
Colette and Joanna.
Aya.
Ako, Mika.
Akin si Maloy.
Wala!
I like her voice.
Ang sama
Yeah,
ko,
Maloy,
JM.
Boys, and
Sana mag-content kayo with Gita dito, lalo na si Blay para talaga ka ba Gita dito?
Yes. Mas matang.
Tashi yan.
Same kaya with Lauren. Tapos mag-heels pa and
Actually, nasa Japan ako niyan.
wala si Blyden yan guys.
Wala ako sa collaboration with them, ha? Wala ako kasi hindi ako may kita.
Wala din na yun.
What po ang fandom name, ate? It's...
Royals! Ulit. It's Royals! Check out our IG story po. We revealed there yung results. So, para naman, kita nyo, it's from the voting. So, congrats to everyone. And sana everyone will love Royals. Because all of us are Royals.
Can I get hi, Rihanna from our... Okay, 5, 6, 3, go!
Hi, Rihanna! Rihanna from Haro.
Yeah. Rihanna. 1, 2, 3, and Rihanna. 1, 2, 3, and
Rihanna and Haro.
Go! Dito rin.
Kalimutan mo na.
It's a rap.
Can you all pose? Because I want to try and make an edit.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ay, okay.
Muna kami, 1, 2, 3, go. Malay ba?
1. Oh, kami lang.
Okay, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3.
Ano yan?
Hindi makulit siya ni Kaya.
Yes. Ala, actually, mas makulit sila.
Ha? Ayan.
Ito, feel my legs, guys.
ano po siya, heart na nabugbog.
Ganito na lang.
Okay. Motto and life. Ay, dito. Ano nung motto nyo? Okay, starting from Yani. Go.
Kung kaya ng iba, ipagawa mo sa kanya.
I say you wouldn't be where you want to be if you don't take a step to be there. Yes.
Isip mo na ako.
Everything happens for a reason. Oh, reason.
So what?
Ay.
So what?
Akin, everything happens. Every chance is every... Memorize ko muna, guys.
Akin naman is... Wait lang, nakalimutan ko. Sige, balik muna tayo sa'yo.
Okay. Every moment is a chance of a fresh start.
Yeah.
Yan akin.
Yes. Akin
Nakuha ko yan sa guys? Sa favorite ASM artist ko. Yun.
Mine is time is gold.
And honestly, is the best policy.
And don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Ay, ikaw. Go.
No pain, no gain.
Yun na.
Ang dami na.
And it is what it is.
It is what it is.
Sino pinanong?
Can I get a high? Busy sila mag-phone. Guys, nag-read kami ng comments nyo because we can't see here. It's so far. Hi, Rihanna daw ulit, guys. Naka-record na siya.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, Rihanna! Na naka-record na.
Ito naman, can I get a high L from Hara? Okay,
Hi,
1, 2, 3, and
Hi, L! Ano name nung nakakap? Hello, I'm Hara K, and that's C-K-H-Y.
sino po leader?
Sino ba ang leader? She's the leader. The leader of the group.
Top 5 bias na sa P-pop. I think group.
Group ba?
Top 5. Oh, group. Ako na lang mag-start. Cat's Eye.
P-pop.
Ay, tama ko. Ay, oo nga. Sorry. Ay, Kaya. Kaya, SB19, Dini. Actually, sila top 3 ko. Top 3 ko. Yun lang po.
Okay, add sa kanya.
Ako, hirap umili, but kaya, SB19, Bini, Wait, and G22.
Same.
Mini. Mini. SB19, Bini, kaya, alamat, and
Akin, Hara. Akin, Hara. Joke lang. SB19, Dini, Hara, and then Kaya, and then Dini.
Wala na, girls. Hindi tayo unyo. Hindi tayo inuna.
Siya.
What about top 5 sa
Ako-
K-pop? Oh, sorry.
SB19, 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 SB19.
Yay! Hindi nyo tayo bias, guys. Wala.
Matik na yan, guys. Ay, Royals. Ang Royals na sila talaga. Sino na?
Who's most likely to survive an apocalypse?
Ako! Feel ko kami lahat, pero like individual, not as a
Si Ate Lord hindi.
Real!
Ako, I think, kasi wala sa kong lumag.
Feel ko ako lang.
Ako.
Kasi
So ano ba? Takbo ka lang.
Fighter kasi kami, guys.
strong. Actually, like source, in-imagine ko yun siya.
Ano yung budget mo?
Mag-fight.
Happy.
Well, thank you, Arls.
May antukin po ba dyan? Meron!
Si Tashi and Ate Lori.
Ako, minsan lang.
Si Tasha yata talaga yung pinaka.
Who's the strictest member? I think si Ate Ai kasi leader siya.
Yeah.
Pero everyone is strict naman. Ay, except kay Ate Kay.
Ano?
Everyone is strict except sa'yo.
Gabi naman.
Hindi,
Except
sa
sa'yo.
Lori.
Nandun si Ate Lori.
Si Ate Lori yung strict. Si Kay,
Ay, oo,
sa
tama pala.
vocals. Hi, Alessandra. Can you guys
Ayan.
Hi, Allison! Longest to get ready.
At ito at sa Ate Lori.
Yeah.
Okay, Ate Lori at saka si...
Madami kasi ako stats mo makeup. Si I parang ano lang, very ano na siya.
Ano?
Like, maganda na, maganda na. Ano lang siya, lip tint blush.
Oh, ma-ending. Ma-ending. But I love Ryan.
Is your bias daw in Blackpink?
Mine is
Jenny!
Jenny Lisa.
Rose.
Jenny Lisa.
Jisoo din.
Pero actually lahat. Jenny.
Jisoo. Sino bias niyo sa SP? Sino bias niyo sa SP, guys?
Ano yan?
SB19. Hindi. SP kasi yung nag-live tayo ba, sabi natin, speak daw name ng group natin.
Speak pala.
Oo, binago niya kahapon. Leader siya yung masaya.
Sino daw main dancer?
Our Blitz.
Sinong bet yung maging roommates and why?
Ako,
Ulit. Ako. Solo room ako, guys.
Ano ba yan? KJ na lang lakas. Ano ba yan? Pero go, sino?
sino first na lang mag-say?
Ako si Bly.
Kasi alam niya anong reason niya. Sabihin mo, bago may
Kasi mahilig siya mag-alcohol.
Kasi ako daw maglilinis ng kwarto.
Oo, siya maglilinis ng kwarto. Siya yung supplier ko ng alcohol.
Supplier.
Ng wipes, tissue.
Yes.
Missy Beth, Ate Lloyd.
Oh, Ako si...
So kami guys, diretso na kami. Kami na agad.
Kami na agad.
Attendance na meron si JP. Sige, noted ka JP.
Yep naman umalis na.
Sino face of the group? Si Ate Ay, pwede paki-edit yung logo namin may mukha ni Ate Ay.
Yung yung sa party,
Yung gano'n. Dance gnarly. Actually, naturo ko yung gnarly before.
Okay.
Fave New Jeans song.
Fave Eugene song is I'm super shy, na 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 na.
Akin, yung pretension.
Yeah, attention. For me, I like her debut.
No, maganda no.
Meron! Parang yung hair ni Honey niyan is like supernatural.
And get on
Akin ano? Cookie na.
Pwede po ba kayo magpakilala isa-isa newbie fan here? Okay, for all
Hi.
our newbie fan there.
Royal.
Yes, newbie royals. Go ahead.
With position.
Position.
Okay, get to know Hara. Hi, new royals. So, hello, I'm the leader, visual, and dancer.
Hello guys, I am Kay. I'm the main vocal and rapper.
Hello everyone, this is Blight. I am the main dancer and the vocalist.
Hi, I'm Lori and I'm the vocalist.
Hi, I'm Tashi and I'm the main rapper, youngest dancer.
Hi, I'm Yani, and I am one of the vocalists and dancers. Yes! And we are Hara!
And you are?
Royal! And
Guys, nag-reply si Kuya sa akin.
See?
Si Mariel lang din.
Hi,
Kasi nag-reply ako sa story niya, sabi ko, ang ganda mo. Sabi niya, thank you.
Fave song by Ariana.
Hi, I'm your bias. Yes po, you're our bias.
No, ano po actually?
Hi, you are my fan.
Birthday daw ni Sophia. Birthday na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, and
Happy birthday, Sophia!
kakanta na naman siya.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ay, galing siya.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Why is Hara your group name? I mean, saan po siya galing? And
Tashi?
Pasok! Go!
So, Hara is our group.
Anak? Anak?
Hara is our group name kasi it comes from the word Raja, which was used here in the Philippines during pre-colonial period. And
Yeah.
ang meaning ng Raja or Raha is royalty, which is royals, and regal.
Yes! That's why
Tashi pa rin.
Si Tashi pa rin.
Videoan na namin si Tashi agad. Tapos wag may mga
Parang ganun lang namin.
namin. Ito po.
Ano po management ang may hawak sa inyo?
Unique management po.
Signed by
Music.
Signed by So.
Hi, Marcus! Can I get a hi, Rhea? Okay, go. 5, 1, 2, 3, and hi, Rhea!
Tara guys, let's post down. Let's post.
Okay.
More story.
Post.
1, 2,
3.
yeah.
Okay na.
I really did.
Yeah.
Hi, Cupcakes! Ate Lori, you okay? Ate Lori, magsalita ko kasi. Okay lang siya, guys. Ano lang talaga, she's not ganon. Kaya, she's here.
Kung nagkasalita ako guys, pakinggan nyo lang ako.
Sample!
Di ko lang. Ay! Yun lang.
Ano po position niyo sa group? Ulit po. So, I'm the leader, visual, and dancer.
Hello, I'm Kay. I'm the main vocal and rapper.
Hello, everyone. This is Blight. I'm the main dancer and one of the vocalists.
Hi, I'm Lori. Hi! Lori. One of the vocalist. Hi, I'm Tashi.
I'm the main rapper, youngest, and dancer.
Hi, I'm Yani. Vocalist and dancer.
Next time, magsuot na lang ID. Yes, what if?
Yes.
Actually,
Hi, Ellie! Belated happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Totoo ba na harayan na yung tawag sa mga fans? No, it's
Royals! Go check out our Instagram story po. That's where we posted the results. And ang nanalo po is Royals.
Yes, follow us on all of our social media platforms, guys. IG, Facebook, TikTok, X,
Everything.
and everything para updated kayo sa mga ganaps and events.
Kung ma-sponsor tayo ng Royals.
standard. Standard, hindi standard.
Lorenzo.
I stand Hara.
Thank you, Angie.
Thank you for the role.
Ilan nag-vote sa fandom names?
Is it okay to
Nasa story naman.
no?
Okay.
But actually, like is konti lang talaga yung
Pagitan.
Pagitan.
Yeah.
So it was a close fight between Haraya and Royal.
Yung gas.
Sino daw ko?
Ang OA I think si Brad.
Okay ako? Like how okay?
Super OA.
You know, like, in what way?
Like,
Ako do.
I think you're just the opposite than the Lori.
Like, so much energy.
So many energetic super.
Really?
OA na.
Really?
Yeah, oo, di ba?
No.
Yan.
Okay, wag kayo maniwala, guys.
yes, dream my
Si Shalan at saka si
Shalan.
Shalan. Yes.
Pag Bisaya daw mo, girls. Next time.
Kung mabisaya, may dilit yung masabtan sa lahat.
Yeah.
So, since kita mga Bisaya, kabalo mo tamad-tamad. We will Tagalog.
Reaction ni Bly, oh. Ano ba meron sa
Thank you,
reaction?
Rhea.
Charis.
Guys, we're gonna end the live in 20 minutes.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Angie.
Thank you, Angie. You deserve a love. A love.
Kaya si Mikaya. Mikaya.
Same. Maloy.
Maloy.
Maloya?
Maloy. Joanna and Colette.
Hanggang mag-umaga na to. No, we can't.
Guys, may trabaho.
We have to rest.
Next time, Zyrene. Next time.
Guys, yung nagla-live dito na hanggang umaga si Yani.
Tapos, galing pa yan siya sa school, tapos sa training. Tapos, hindi talaga yun siya mapapagod, guys.
Yes, kasi mahal kayo.
May
Yes.
ships na ba daw sa harap?
May ships na ba sa Hara?
Actually, wala kayo na ba?
Sila dalawa, guys.
Sila
Hindi ko
dalawa.
man like legit ship.
Pero kami, shift namin sila.
Like, I think wala pang ano ba? Name natin ito. Kai lang yan. Tsaka Bliani. Pero wala pa Rashi.
Pretty Blights, thank you po.
Chikai, di ba?
One live si Bly and Glory. Actually, nag-live ako pero saglit lang yon sa nasa UP kami.
We're hoping na ma-meet ko kayo again.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Em. Girls, hoping na-meet ko kayo again. Tadhana na bahala. Yes, please, pag may events kami, don't feel free to check out our performance.
So one live Glory.
Work live.
Work with me. Hindi ko pa alam. Let's see.
Sana Manila ganap soon.
See you guys! Magugulat na lang kayo pag live na ako.
Gamit niyo po.
Pero kasama ko pa din si Yanni.
Oo.
At saka si Tom.
Sino po I think di niya kaya mag-solo live.
Siya. Sana Manila ganap soon. Yes. Manifesting Manila.
Present always sa live ni Yanni.
Of course.
Yes.
Soon, bantay ni Hara Yanni.
Oh, may batay ka na.
Hi, Kimi!
Hello.
Watching from Dubai yan siya.
Mag-live stream mo yung kwento.
mo?
Wow, react na react.
Hello. Hindi na kilala. Tapos si Tashi Lustre.
Lights Brillantes po.
Ikaw? Oh, Manila ko pala.
Kay
Yanni
Bernardo.
Bernardo.
Yanni Bernardo.
Hi, Kimi.
Hi, Lim.
Thank you,
Lim. Please support. Kaboses ni Harold Lori, si Baby Stacy. Next time, mag-pink na siya.
Abangan nyo, mag-ano ng COVID.
Did you eat dinner?
No, we
After
didn't
this.
yet.
After this, guys.
Hi, Amelia.
Ikaw, kumain ka na ba?
Tashi reminds me of BTS Ron. Why? Why?
Thank you for following him.
Tashi
SpongeBob versus Ben 10. SpongeBob po.
Ano po name niyo? Again po, Again po, we are Hara! Hi, I'm I.
Hello, I'm Kay. Hi everyone, this is Lights.
Maayong gabi, I'm Lori. Good evening, I'm Tashi.
Hi, I'm Yan from last
Modus. Gusto ka pag-pronounce mong name? Kay lang po. It's just Kay.
Next time mag-name tag. Yes, dito na siguro
Parang Pinoy ka niyo.
Bagay?
Almost 10k followers na kayo here sa TikTok.
Yes! Another
Thank you guys!
Thank you guys! Dumadami na ang Royals!
Thank you Royals pala. Masali na kami sa guys at saka everyone.
Yes,
Royals.
pero now may name na tayo. So, hopefully ma-check out nyo rin yung ibang accounts namin. Go check out and follow us also on Instagram because we also post there our photos, mga namin, mga photo shoot and all that.
Yes, and go check out our song, guys. It's My Love. You can check it out on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music.
Watching from Bulacan. Hi Royals from Bulacan!
Hi, Princessa! I miss you.
Dumadami na mga Royals, like not just in
Comment
Davao.
down, guys, kung taga saan kayo para alam namin.
Basta Bisaya, Plakado. Basta Royals, Plakado. Hey!
Ang dami ng lights.
From Zamboanga.
Hi, Royals na nasa Zamboanga ngayon at nasa Oraya.
Boy, from Jansa.
And yung nasa Catalunan Grande na lagi ako inaaway.
Laguna, hello!
Hi! Our Royals there sa Laguna.
Luzon Royals. We can't wait na makapunta kami sa mga lugar niyo, guys. So, if may events kami, so please check out our social media account para alam niyo if we visit kami sa lugar niyo. Tapos, mag-perform kami. Yes! Tayo Cavite.
Beautiful siya.
Oo nga, guys. What if kayo din pumunta sa Davao?
Kayo mga guys, kayo mag-chat.
What if kayo mag-adjust?
Ito po na may bill ng mga...
Thank you so much, Ben. Hi, Jay.
Thank you, Ben, for the bill.
Thank you so much, guys.
Sige, on the way, on the
Thank you,
way.
Tokwa. Hi, Tokwa. Wow.
Mag-video shoot kami this coming Sunday. Gamit kanta niyo ba? Lagi naman kami para makita namin.
guys.
Yes, punta kayo Davao Royals Meetup. Yes, ano? Sali niyo kami. Sali niyo kami sa meetup niyo.
Name ng may bang sa taas.
Si Tashi.
Tashi rin.
Si Tashi Marie. Tashi B.
Tashi Marie. Hi, Ninya. Eh.
Alien
Oo,
Isip, isip.
Wala na, alien.
See you sa Davao.
See you. Glory, Beth.
Meet and greet ng Hara. Hopefully soon. Yes.
Best day.
Kung may meet and greet kami, pupunta ba kayo? Pupunta ba talaga kayo ng Davao?
Yes, are you guys coming?
Coming. Alam niyo ba guys, may sing si Ate Kay na mag-ano yun? British accent.
Akala ko baby monster. So,
Thank you, Annie.
Ang bansa rin ng Royals is
13.
Every 13.
Sana dito kayo sa
Oh,
Manila.
every 13 na guys. May 13.
May 13 na.
Ang sponsor ng Royals. Birthday. May 13th birthday niyo.
May 13 kayo pinanganak.
Guys, yung music lang po yan. Ano lang po yan. Set. Do you speak Tagalog? Yes, we're speaking Tagalog po. We also speak Bisaya.
May 13 kayo pupunta nila.
Now, May 13 po birthday ng mga Royals.
Yes. Yes, and we're actually in Davao po. And based from Davao. Based in Davao.
Who's Bisaya? All of us are Bisaya po. It's a girl group.
Yes, pupunta talaga sa meet and greet from Davao. Pipilitin ko, mother ko pa yan. Huwag naman kayo mag-away.
Sorry guys.
Sometimes na lang.
Happy Motmot Royals. Again, Friday the 13th next time.
Oh, yeah.
Fake Pina songs and bias. Fake Pin songs and bias.
Ako din. Same.
Carrera or
Carrera and Blush.
Oh my God.
Carrera and Blush, tapos si Joanna and Color.
Yeah, parang
Guys, Salami. Tumatak talaga sa akin sa
Sino ang nagsabi kayo?
Kailan debut nyo?
Hello, Hara. Please support us po covering your song, My Love. Yes po, we saw that song. Grabe, galing nyo. Thank you so much po.
Anong name?
1, 2, 3, and
Royals! Guys, we're gonna end the live in 10 minutes. So, go ask some questions. And also, we're gonna do a last introduction and last review ng positions and last ano ng My Love. A cappella for you guys.
Go
cheesy na maanghang.
Period.
Oh,
Akin, anything na may cheese, tsaka potato.
ako, easy.
Okay na ba?
Ako, I actually have it in my bag right now.
Also, ano,
Chocolate na B&G.
ako DCC.
Fake snacks.
So, actually, cookies.
DCC and rice.
Fries! Ako lahat.
Fries.
Favorite ko lahat ko is cookies and basta with nuts.
You like Korean snacks? I wanna send you guys.
Oh, yes! We love corn dogs! We love anything Korean. We love anything Korean. And bulldog. Taga Davao mo o gaste sa Davao? We're from Davao.
Yes, we're both Davao-based, living in Davao. Yes. Favorite snack? Dubai chewy. Dubai chewy cookies. Wala pa ako nakatry.
Guys,
Sige, nakatry na.
Lamig. Masarap siya, guys. Tinatikman namin. Thank you pala kay JN.
Thank you.
It's so yummy. Super.
Are you guys touring in New Zealand? We're just starting. It's still our pre-debut, so maybe someday in a few years.
yeah, we're
we'll go
starting
there.
local.
Yes.
Representative animal
Philippines
po.
first, and then maybe international.
Yun pa yung ano ko. Last time ko kay JN.
Iba yung red one.
I think, wala kaming animal.
Elbows about.
Feeling ko skin.
Real hits.
Feeling ko sun pa ulit makatikim na.
Soon, Adi, nag-play volleyball na.
Yes, manifesting our world.
Oh my god, thank you!
Thank you. Tara guys, before we're going, let's do one last acapella na.
Let's go!
Okay.
Or,
Introduction na naman.
sige. So once again, everyone, before we leave, I'm the leader, both visual and dancer.
Hello, Royals. I am Kay, and I am the main vocal and rapper.
Hello everyone, this is Blythe. I'm the main dancer and one of the vocalists.
Hi, I'm Lori and I'm the vocalist.
Hi, I'm Tashi. I'm the main rapper, youngest, and dancer.
Hi, I'm Yani, vocalist and dancer.
Okay, let's go, TK.
Kami di ay ang Hara!
And this is our song, My Love, guys. Go check it out on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music.
Let's go, TK.
5, 6, 7. You don't deserve my love, my love. Wag mo nang sisihin ang aking damdamin. You don't deserve my love, oh my love. You don't even have to try, 'cause baby you just don't deserve my love.
Yes. Go stream My Love, guys. Go check out our music video.
Happy 10K, guys! Happy 10K! Name is
Royals! Happy 10K Royals on YouTube. Yes.
Yeah, on Spotify.
And also on
Royals. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, ma.
May 6 minutes pa. May 6 minutes pa para magchikahan tayo. May 6 minutes pa para magchikahan tayo, guys.
Also guys, thank you so much sa mga support na na-receive namin since we're starting. Parang 3 months since nag-release kami. Magta 3 months this month. So we're really appreciative and like we all see your comments, mga posts ninyo, ganun. Thank you so much. Like we love you, Royals.
Thank you, guys. We love you.
Try nyo mag-live ng bareface lang. Actually, sa live, ay sa vlog.
Actually, kami nung nasa meron.
Cool, yeah.
We're actually barefaced that time, guys.
Also,
Kasi naligo kami.
and then nung first live namin nung salubong, bare face kami.
Oo, bareface
Nasa
lang.
nag-get ready kami, nag-make up kami
Doon kami nag-make up sa live.
And then check nyo din yung mga vlog nila. May mga vlog sila na bare-face kami kasi nagprepare kami for the MV.
Yes. Check my vlog, guys. Check my account.
Literal na bare face.
One day magiging sikat kayo. We'll work hard on it, guys.
Alright.
And please support us, guys.
Pero thank you.
Padayon lang. Yes, of course. We're still starting. Like, you have so many things to watch out talaga, guys. Marami kaming surprises. So, please, stay with us. This is just the beginning.
Hierarchy, post ka pa cover, please. I will, soon.
Actually, ikaw pa lang nakapost ng cover.
Yeah, hindi pa sila nagpo-post.
Yes.
Hindi ko kami.
Last cover ito natin is December.
Oh, yeah.
We should.
So, last cover.
Nag-high school ako,
Culture and dance.
Yes.
sa GBD as governor presented to National High School.
Don't give up. Yes po, we
I
won.
already did dance cover with my cover. Guys, mag-cover kayo ng my cover.
Watch out for the edit ko, girls. Editing pa po. Please tag us lang. We'll be yes. Tara, mag-analyze tayo po. Mag-photo tayo, guys. Tara, last. Before we end the live, after this photo, we're gonna leave na po. Wait lang, picture muna tayo. Okay. Wait lang. Pwede ba to? Diba?
Ay,
Paano ba?
pa-right. Pa-right natin, pa-right.
Hindi, ganyan oh. Or sa ano lang ba? As a viewer lang ba?
Clear comments.
Yung clear distinct. Sige, okay na. Sila na lang. Let's go. I'll go. Let's go. Let's go, our moderator. Okay, one. Wait. One, two, three, go. Heart daw tayo yung ano, ganyan daw siya.
Paano ako?
Hindi ka din.
Okay.
Sige, ganun ka tingnan. Oops, sige. Sige. Isang kamay pa, Blair. Isang kamay. Ganun. Okay na. Parang siyang Hara logo, actually. Pag meron si Tani sa
Okay na. Parang 1 hour naman yung post.
Thank you guys so much for watching our live. See you again next time.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. And hopefully dumami pa tayo.
Thank you,
Royals! Bye! Bye, Royals! We love you, Royals!
See you soon.
Bye, 102 viewers! Thank you so much for staying until the end. We love you all, Royals!
Sali ka na lang ulit soon. Emma.
We love you all, Royals. Bye, bye, bye!
Bye!
Bye!